Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a nearby store on the Stradivarius application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the home button down below in the left side corner. Then you should scroll down and tap on this stores button in the middle of the screen. As you can see, you can search for your town on this map. If you tap on it, you are going to find the stores nearby, but you can also type in your address or your town into the search bar at the top. Here you can find the name of the store, the opening hours, if you tap on the open button, their phone number, and also how to get there. If you tap on this button, you will be directed to your map where you can check out the location. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.